I want to thank everybody for 85 weeks of support with my songs, and you've all been so great and encouraging, and you always sing along, and you guys are the greatest. So, as I said, Steve C.K. wrote the words. Well, the song is The Sounds of Silence. We have new words written by Steve C.K. Hello, silent Congressman. We've come to talk with you again. Because an orange vision screaming left fear and hate while we were dreaming. And his ugly vision was planted in our brains. It still remains within the sounds of your silence. In nightmarish dreams we walked alone, narrow streets of Charlottesville, neath the halo of a burning cross. We stayed away from throngs of KKK, and our eyes were stabbed by the flash of tiki torch lights. Split the night and touch the sound of your silence. And at the southern border we saw 1,000 people, maybe more. Mothers crying and children screaming in cages with no escaping. Dads writing letters that lawyers never shared. No one dared disturb the sounds of your silence. Fool, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my songs that I might teach you. With my letters I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell into a hell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the orange god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning to the words that it was forming. The sign said, ugly Republican laws are written on the Twitter scrolls and congressional halls, and whispered in the sounds of your silence.